I built a school behavior management and intervention software as a service SaaS program on Fuzen. I'm Dr. Martin Kaufmann. I am a licensed professional mental health counselor here in the United States. My goal as an entrepreneur was to fill a gap in the market. I needed a software as a service platform that my customers demanded. They needed a really simple to use software system that would help them manage their school behavior, but not in a punitive way, in a way that really empowered them as a school and teachers to really help their students go from where the students are to where they would like to be and really achieve and be successful in school. There's other softwares out there that do this kind of thing, but nothing that's really easy to use and simple, both from the customer's perspective but also as myself as the entrepreneur. I didn't want to use some kind of a software development platform that requires me to be a software back-end coder guy. That's not what I am. I'm an entrepreneur and I see a need, and I needed a simple solution to fill that need that allows me to make on the fly tweaks so I can further develop this platform as I get feedback from my users. Fuzen does just that. I chose Fuzen because as I looked through a lot of the online reviews for these SaaS development platforms like Fuzen and others, one really key thing showed up for me. Ease of use, no coding required, and it allows me to do exactly what I wanted to do. I didn't have to be a software guy. I could just be what I am and really serve into my market. So Fuzen was an obvious choice. And then to exceed my expectations, just like in the other reviews that I read, they were actually true. Fuzen was there to support when I had a question. They were providing me with solutions to questions I didn't even think to ask. And for me as an entrepreneur, I really appreciate that. Here's my vision. This is what I'm trying to do. I don't know how to do this. Fuzen came right in and said, here, this is how you do it. And also, you should do these other things because that seems to fit with your program. Huh, perfect. It's really exactly what you hope it would be, plus more. So if you're thinking about developing some kind of a software as a service, start with Fuzen. You won't be disappointed. I certainly am not, and I'm excited to continue to expand what I'm doing on the Fuzen platform.